Okay, for starters, this knob doesn't go with the radio, and on top of that you can see the shaft is a little bent. But when we put power to it,
but you know, if one rich guy gets a penny of it, then Democrats
and the
tax cuts for the rich.
tone works, but it's so hard for me to get back there. But the tuner doesn't do a thing. But the push buttons do work, and I've was able to tune in a couple of stations for the push buttons.
People got rich in this country got rich because they,
Podcast, it's all there on my website, TomSullivan.com.
Member of Congress to vote in support of impeachment after being impeached.
made America more competitive, and I don't understand why you want to.
So that's about it.
That accent.
It's
People like
AMC.
Zuckerberg who built Facebook, or Bernie Marcus who